Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be doing a lot of color today, and I picked up this Violet Voss Fruit Sorbet Mini, and I'm pretty much in love, so let's just get started. Now these shades don't have any color names, so I'm just going to be telling you like red, orange, pink, all that jazz. So here I'm applying the red shade that's in the bottom left hand corner. And I am just using a flat synthetic brush to pat that in. And I'm bringing it down all the way to my lash line, and I'm just leaving a little bit of space in the middle of my lash line because I'm going to be putting a different color there. And my eyes have been really watery this summer because, let me tell you, the pollen is ridiculous. I have seasonal allergies and I'm not living my best life because of them. Let me just say that. So now I'm applying the orange shade that is right above the red in the palette, and I'm applying that along the perimeter and overlapping on the red just because I want a gradient effect. And now I'm taking a fluffy brush and going in with the yellow, and these are all matte shades, by the way, that I'm using, and they are hella pigmented. You know, sometimes it's really hard to get colorful matte shadows, but Violet Voss did it because these are pretty good. So I'm just continuing to buff out that red and orange with the yellow shade, and I'm going to be doing that for a while because I want a very nice blend. As you can see on the other eye, I don't have any kind of harsh lines. So yeah, of course, you know, with the magic of editing, you're only going to see maybe 30 seconds of this, but it literally took me about 15 minutes. After I blended for a few minutes, I did go back and reapply both the red and the orange shade because I did lose a little bit of their intensity while blending. So that's just what I'm doing right there. The big brush has the red on it, and then the smaller flat brush has the orange. And then I'm taking a very large blending brush and using the peach shade that's in here, and I use that as my brow bone highlight and also to help blend out that yellow. And then once again, like I said, I just go back in with all of the other colors and re-intensify them, because when you are blending your eyeshadow, sometimes you will lose that intensity, and I wanted it all. I wanted all the intensity because this is a very colorful look, and I love it. I've been rocking color all this summer. It's got me feeling some type of way, so I'll probably be using a lot of colorful eyeshadows this summer, so just get ready. Now for the center of my eyelid, I went in with the burgundy shade, and I'm just applying that in the little blank space that I left, and I'm overlapping it into the red, just like I did with all the other colors, because like I said, I want a nice gradient. And I'm not going to be blending it out, I'm just going to be patting it into the center of my eyelid, and then taking the red and making sure it's nice blended. So I tight lined with this Milani Stay Put Waterproof Eyeliner and hooked on Espresso, and I lined my eyes with the IT Cosmetics Superhero Liner in black. And then for my lower lash line, I went in with another Milani Stay Put Waterproof Eyeliner, and this is Plum. And I put it on my lower lash line and mixed it with my lashes, and then I'm just stamping that burgundy shade from the palette into my lower lashes to set that liner. And then I did go in and blend it out with a little bit of the same shade on a fluffier brush just to smoke it out a little bit, because y'all know how I love a good smoky. And that's pretty much the look. It was super simple, but I really love how it turned out. It was very pretty and very summer appropriate. Okay, so this is what the eyes are looking like after I'm done. And these are my natural lashes. I used 3 separate mascaras to get them to look like this. I used the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer. Mascara primer, and then I went in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and then I went in with the NYX mascara in On the Rise. And of course I added a few coats of everything, so that's what got them this big and this voluminous. I love chunky lashes. I like separation, but I also love volume, so
yeah, I had to add a few coats to get them this big. And if you're curious why I'm not showing you my complexion routine anymore, it's because I have so many on my channel right now. If you do want to know how I got this complexion, I will leave down below in the description box the link to some of my complexion videos. I mean, if you guys have been watching my channels, you guys know how I do my face. But just in case you need a reminder or you're new to my channel and want to try something new, then go ahead and click those videos and it will show you how I do my summertime foundation. I do use different products on different days depending on the weather. Today I did use a powder underneath my foundation because it is going to be hot and I needed the longevity. So yeah. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in the next one.